This is one of my really old 1.2 transmitters, wired up and all running off of one battery, and the battery running both the camera and the transmitter. A little different setup from a while ago, but basically there it is. I've had this one about 8 years, same amount of time I've had that really old receiver. So there it is on channel 9. And this is that really old receiver that went with those other two. It's on channel 9. And we have video. So let's see if we switch this down to 8. Our video gets really bad. Okay. It even drops out completely. Well, that wouldn't be any fun while flying. So we'll come over here, we'll push the button on the top, change this transmitter to channel 8. 1.3, 1.2 gigahertz is the band. There's many channels within that band, as you saw, from 900 up to 1.3. Everything in the 1200 megahertz range is in that band. So there we are. We're on channel 8. On channel 8 on the transmitter. And we have good video. This is my other 1.2 transmitter. And it's on what? Channel 9. Over here, we're on channel 9. So we have good video. Channel 8. And the video starts acting really funky, of course, as it should. Everything's still in the same band, but we're not quite on the same channel now. Come over here, push the button on the top, switch it to channel 8, and we have good video again on the monitor, on channel 8 on the receiver. So that transmitter is also working. I had to take this notch filter off. It wouldn't work with this on it. This is supposed to keep the 1.2 video from messing with the 433 RC receiver. So this transmitting at 1.2 is exactly almost 3 times exactly 433 on the RC, so it could step all over it and make it quit working. That's what this is supposed to do. So I'm gonna have to dig into that a little deeper. So that's the same little camera, just connected with one battery. That's just a little battery monitor. So this is the 1.2, about 8 years old hardware in the can. This is the same exact transmitter out of the gold can. For an airplane, it works better this way. It's lighter and a little bit of airflow. It cools. If you're using it on a quad or something like that, sometimes stationary, it's better to have it in the can for cooling. And then this is the new, brand new 1.2 transmitters that's being sold these days that, you know, I just found it to be really cool. But I have 3. I will use these up before I use any others. I don't know of any other 1.2 gigahertz transmitters that I have to test, or any more 1.2 receivers. All 3 of the receivers are tested. All 3 of the cameras are tested. End of project.